Hello and welcome to my 30-day Founders Thinking Challenge. I created this series because the biggest breakthroughs in your practice do not come from you working harder. They will come from you intentionally thinking about your business. Through intentional thinking, you'll be able to spot opportunities that you'd previously just skip right past. You'll be able to work closer on achieving your mission, and there'll be a rhythm that comes within your business. As a founder, you are constantly being pulled to wear many hats. But the first one is team member, because sometimes we've got to go back on the tools. Second one is the manager. You have to get things done through your people. The third hat is the leader's hat. That hat, you're spending time thinking about strategy and direction, and also you are the custodian of your culture. And the fourth hat is the founder's hat, who has the vision for the future and the direction that the organization is moving towards. But unfortunately, the team member hat and the manager's hat have the loudest voices, so they get most of your thinking time. And then comes the leader. They get some thinking time, but the poor founder, the person who's got to see over the horizon, you started this business for a reason, but connecting with that reason and sort of understanding doesn't get any time at all. So this gym is about creating space for that type of thinking. So each day you're going to get a single powerful prompt. I want you to reflect on that, maybe journal, see what comes up for you, share, talk out loud, whatever works. But over the next 30 days, we're going to be retraining your brain using neuroplasticity. You will learn new ways or connect with the old ways of thinking more like a founder. There's no right or wrong. It's not you've got to do an hour or 15 minutes or whatever it takes. There is no right or wrong. I just want to create new pathways and support you thinking like a founder does. The key is consistency. Every day, I want you to turn up, listen, and take some action. So are you ready to get started? Let's go. Number 28. How am I ensuring quarterly goals are not just met, but actually achieved and reviewed?